Hey, SBC 205, Vic McInnes once again, your public speaking instructor. We're going to be going over once again, as you can probably tell from my right, maybe your left, I don't know, side of the screen, the problem solution speech grading rubric. Speeches are due on Wednesday or Thursday. I'm just going to go over it real quick so you have an awareness of it. You've all been told about your outlines. Okay, all right, so this is all pretty straightforward. We'll go over the differences just a little bit. Again, introduction, it's going to be the same as always, 4 parts. Attention device, which cannot be a question. Statement of purpose, preview of your main points, speaker's credentials. Again, now you're going to be graded. The only difference is between your last speeches for the attention device, you're going to be graded on how you deliver it. In other words, you can't just get up there and say, every day Americans smoke 4 billion cigarettes. Okay, you're going to have to get up there and really punch it. Every day Americans smoke 4 billion cigarettes. Let me say that again, billion cigarettes. Okay, remember your statement of purpose and your preview of your main points should be separate and distinct. And remember all that should go fairly quickly. Don't give us any details. Preview your main points, 1, 2, 3, bam, bam, bam. I've got a problem, I'm going to give you a solution. Okay? The problem, you have to give us cause and effect. It's not enough just to state the problem. You have to identify the cause. You have to tell us why we care with the effect. Okay? A lot of times in the outline, nobody gave us an effect. We need to see that effect. You need to explain to us what the effect is going to be, and you need to give us a specific cause. Now, remember, I don't need you to give me every single cause of a problem. If you're talking about world hunger, you're not going to be able to identify every cause in 4 to 6 minutes. I just need to give me a cause and an effect of that cause. Okay? Solution. Again, you can't just give me a solution and say, good night. You have to show that solution is doable, it's practical, it has practicality, and that it will solve the problem. It is effective. It has efficacy. Okay? Again, lots of outlines just said, here's a solution. Good night. You have to prove practicality and you have to prove efficacy. Period. Evidence is going to go just like it always has. Every time you say, according to, I give you a check. Okay? 3 checks, 15 points. The conclusion is worth 15 points. Again, 3 parts. Restatement of the purpose, review of main points, a closing thought. All right? Nonverbal delivery is exactly the same. Eye contact, posture, gesture, vocal delivery. Now, time, again, for the hybrid classes, for you 2 classes that will be doing it in the classroom, I give you 4 to 6 minutes. For the online students, 4:30 to 6, because you can always just redo it if you come in at 4:15. Okay? That's it. It's really straightforward. It's really simple. The main thing I need you to focus on, and the main place where people have problems with this speech, is they just throw a solution out there and they do not have any subpoints. Or they give me 4 solutions and they don't tell me that any of them are practical or effective. Okay? It's just that straightforward. I want to make this as simple as possible. There's your rubric. This is coming in under 4 minutes. It's really straightforward. Persuasive is going to be even shorter than that, because it's really the only thing that changes on persuasive is the very last thing you do in the speech. Again, if you have any questions, shoot me an email. I will get back to you. I will be on my email all day today here in the COVID bunker. And we will talk to you. Some of you I will see in class tomorrow. Okay, take care. Remember your deadlines. We'll talk to you soon. Stay safe.